how to cancel Netflix autopay. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply open the app and then simply tap on My Netflix. Then what you're gonna have to do next is simply tap on these three horizontal lines and then simply go to account. Now here you're gonna see all the information about your account, your payments and everything. So as you can see here, you can go to billing details, and then here you can basically see which plan you have. As you can see how much you're gonna have to pay, and as you can see the next billing date. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go back and then simply tap on cancel membership, and basically after that you're gonna have to simply tap on finish cancellation again, and basically that's all you have to do. Now there is another way to do that. So if you want, you can simply go to App Store on your mobile device and then tap on your profile picture. Now here you're gonna have to simply go to purchase history, and then here you're gonna find all your current subscriptions active on your account. So let me log in really fast into my account just to show you. So if you have Netflix here, you should see it right here, otherwise it won't be available. So if you cannot do that through the app, you're gonna find it right here and you can simply cancel it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.